Let's learn about crustacean infestation.
This is Argulis, also known as fish louse, which is a crustacean parasite. Have segmented bodies covered by a hard shell, and they possess jointed appendages. The female measures about 6 to 8.5 millimeters, while the male is smaller, around 2 to 3 millimeters. Adult Argulis attach to the host using sucker-like mouthparts. Juvenile Argulis attach using hooks on their legs. After attachment, they use a proboscis to inject digestive enzymes into the host's tissue. They only need one host start from egg stage until egg-laying adult. The female lays up to about 2,000 eggs on hard surfaces, such as stones or tank walls, and are covered with a clear gelatinous material, which helps protect them from predators and also prevents waterborne treatments from reaching them. The eggs hatch after about 26 to 61 days at a temperature of 15 degrees Celsius. Once hatched, the larva must find a host fish within 2 to 3 days. After attaching to the host, they enter the juvenile stage and begin feeding on the host's blood. Over the next few weeks, the parasite develops into an adult. After mating, the female detaches from the host to lay eggs again, then returns to a host fish. It is important to note that adult lice can survive off the host for up to 2 weeks, which makes control and treatment more difficult. Among the commonly affected species are tilapia, milkfish, mullet, catfish, carp, and snakehead. These fish are often infested because they are commonly found in ponds, rivers, and aquaculture systems, where close contact between fish increases the risk of transmission. Transmission can occur through direct contact, waterborne transmission, vector-borne transmission, and environmental reservoirs. Predisposing factor of transmission can be caused by direct contact in crowded ponds, where fish are in close proximity with poor water quality and high stocking density. Infested fish are often seen rubbing themselves vigorously against objects such as pond walls or stones. This behavior occurs due to irritation and discomfort caused by the parasite. Argulis causes injury to the scales and fins as it attaches to the skin. Open wounds may develop. These wounds can become necrotic and ulcerated, increasing the risk of secondary bacterial or fungal infections. In cases of heavy infestation, may lead to mortality, especially in young or stressed fish. On gross examination, the parasite can be seen attached to the skin, fins, buccal, or opercular mucosa. At the site of attachment, the affected area often appears hemorrhagic or ulcerated due to tissue damage caused by feeding and movement of the parasite. In mild cases, treatment can be done by dabbing the louse using a cotton bud dipped in a 50-50 solution of kerosene. This helps to weaken or kill the parasite. However, care must be taken to avoid getting the solution into the gills, mouth, or eyes of the fish, as kerosene can be toxic and cause serious damage to these sensitive areas. After dabbing, the louse may still need to be physically removed using tweezers to ensure complete removal and prevent reattachment. This method is suitable only for individual fish with light infestation and is not recommended for large-scale outbreaks. For prevention and control, the use of filters is important to reduce the number of free-swimming parasite stages in the water and to limit spread within the pond system. Chemical treatments can also be used. Potassium permanganate at 5 ppm for 3 to 5 minutes may help reduce parasite load. Another commonly used treatment is Dipterex at 1 ppm for 3 to 6 hours, which is effective against adult lice. However, there are several precautions when using Dipterex. Treatment should not be carried out when water temperatures are below 18 degrees Celsius, as fish cannot metabolize or excrete the chemical efficiently. It should also not be used when temperatures exceed 28 degrees Celsius, because the uptake rate by fish becomes too high and may cause toxicity. The pond should be treated 3 times at 7-day intervals to ensure effective control. Adequate water circulation is necessary so that Dipterex is evenly distributed throughout the pond. It is important to note that Dipterex is not stable in water and breaks down after a few days. While lice eggs may survive the initial treatment, the newly emerging parasites are killed by follow-up treatments, which helps break the life cycle.